to start by asking a question. Were you born to live? Or were you born to be lived? Something to think about very carefully, but perhaps not. Perhaps it is clear to you. It is now clear to me that we were born into a circle full of lies and deceit. It is now clear to me that we live within the rhythm, order, energy, and obligations that the powerful, lustful energies have imposed upon us. It is now clear to me that we are dealing with manipulative negative energies that have been able to exert their influence on our behavior patterns in a pedagogical way. And at the same time, they imitate our behavior patterns in order to act as if they were just like us. The great manipulative deception. I now understand that the only way to regain your power is to unlearn what has been learned. And to learn what needs to be learned again, in order to be fully ourselves again, and to stand in our own power.
Hello, I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. My name is Naira.
Nairas, are you here for the photographer too?
No, I'm here to make the sculpture.
Wow, sculpture work. That's interesting. Beautiful.
Thank you. It's my passion. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Wait a minute. That was Nairas Art. Wow, she's beautiful.
You have that wooden incense stick, Palms Alto?
Yes, I think I have one right here.
I'm looking for a beautiful golden singing bowl. Where can I find it?
Unfortunately, they're sold out. We'll have new ones next week.
Wow, how beautiful. Truly magnificent.
Thank you, Mark.
I'll definitely come and see your exhibition next time.
That's nice. You should definitely do that.
Goodbye. See you soon.
I'm going to work quietly for a while. Okay, let me see what I can find. I really don't feel like going to work today. Okay. Off to work now. Hey, long time no see. It really has been. Have a great day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
De volgende halte is metrostation Rijgersbos.
Is this really what I want to do with my life? This is really not what I want. It ends today. I want more out of my life. I'm really not going to work today. I don't want this anymore. It's over that all my time is wasted somewhere I don't want to be. I'm going to buy a sewing machine and do what I love. Fuck the job! Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy it.
Long time no see.
Hey, Wendy, how are you?
I'm gonna take a taxi. Maybe we'll see each other again.
Give me your phone number and I'll call you soon.
Here's my number.
Got it. Take care now.
The subject of my film will be linen clothing is healing and strengthens our energy. Then we must ensure that beautiful clothes are made of linen fabrics so that they become more attractive for people to wear. Now I want to find a good tailor for it. I'll look for one later. First, I have to finish my story. Started making clothes again. I was really tired of my current job. Wow, Wendy, this is such a coincidence. I'm looking for someone to make clothes for me.
Nairas Art was thrilled to run into Wendy on the subway. Wendy is very interested in the project and eager to participate. They arrange to meet again so they can discuss the plans more fully and put them into action.
All right, now rise up for me.
Hey Mark, it's Nairas. Are you okay? I'm calling you to discuss something.
Naira discusses her new career path with Mark. She asks him if he'd be interested in modeling for the new clothing line being produced by Wendy's Fashion. The clothes will be designed by Nairas Art Productions. Mark thinks it's a great idea and is happy to participate.
Hey, how was your day?
It was great. I'm so glad we could talk.
Lloyd and Wendy have a lovely conversation. They'd known each other for years, but nothing ever developed into a relationship between them. They agree to have dinner together soon. Wendy and Lloyd are enjoying a meal together at a Surinamese restaurant in Amsterdam. They're having a wonderful evening. They're talking about their plans for life and are enjoying the place. And the food is delicious.
This is absolutely delicious.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
This is absolutely delicious.
I know, right? So glad you came.
Wendy and Lloyd's relationship started out well, but after a few months, it became extremely toxic. Lloyd initially had a different attitude toward Wendy's plans. He was happy for her. He offered to support her. But the feelings were already becoming increasingly toxic. Wendy noticed that Lloyd often felt intimidated by her and wasn't at all happy with what she was doing. He kept trying to talk Wendy out of her plans. And she began to notice his narcissistic tendencies. This time, a fierce argument broke out. And Wendy had seen enough.
You should stop making clothes. It won't work out anyway. You're just talking nonsense with your spiritual garbage.
You're crazy!
It's time for you to come back to reality.
I want you to leave and stay away.
Okay, I'm going. Don't beg me to come back.
I beg you! I don't think so!
Lloyd is furious. He hasn't heard from Wendy since the argument. She's even blocked him on her phone. Lloyd can no longer drain her energy and try to destroy her. Lloyd screams in anger that Wendy is nothing. But that's exactly how he feels about himself. That he is nothing.
Who does she think she is? You're nothing, bitch!
It's a known fact that we don't consume the right nutrition to keep us strong and healthy. It ages us faster than we should and shortens our lifespan. Plastic, which we see as a convenient tool, slowly poisons us. Today, the topic is our clothing and fabrics, which lower our energy field and can also cause physical illness. We always used linen sheets, prejudiciously. Over the years, linens have slowly changed into what seemed more beautiful and innovative, with synthetic plastics harboring many parasites that slowly cause harmful conditions to our skin and physical health. The various fabrics we wear disrupt our energy field. Many sexually transmitted diseases also result from wearing underwear containing nylon. Our ancestors didn't wear underwear. They were aware that breath and fresh air were necessary for their health. Nairas Art Productions, Wendy's Fashion, and Taurus Gang have joined forces to find solutions. We want to show that with any information that can bring us back to ourselves, we shouldn't just spread it. We should also come up with solutions so we can break the cycle a little bit deeper and create a straight line that brings progress. Because no one wants to keep going in circles. We want to move forward. Enjoy the show. also learned a valuable lesson during her brief relationship with Lloyd. No one can hide their true nature for long. People always show you who they are. Trust actions, not words. Jealousy is a dangerous disease that brings out the devil in certain souls. Always trust your gut. It will strengthen your intuition. If someone shows you who they are, believe them. And don't let anyone make you doubt or steer you away from your path.